Honorable Principal, my respected teacher, and my dear first of all, great morning. My name is Rona from second grade. Today date is 27 April and day is Saturday. I recite a poem. 3 little fish play in the pool, down in the water, clear and go. Up come a big fish, I can play button 3 little. Swing, swing away, blast us, Lord, go out a while at school and home and play. Help us to love, we pray. Clap, 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 tap, 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 oh, stop, 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 jump, step, jump, run, stop, 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 roly poly, up, down, roly poly, in, roly poly, out, roly poly, left, roly poly, right, roly poly, fast, roly poly, slow. Thank you, have a nice day.